How to build a successful online business from scratch in 2024. Step 1. Identify your niche. Research popular online markets and trends. Identify your area of expertise or passion. Validate your idea with keyword research and market demand. Step 2. Create a unique value proposition. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Develop a unique solution or service that solves a problem. Create a compelling brand identity. Step 3. Build a professional website. Choose a reliable website builder or CMS. Design a visually appealing and user-friendly website, optimized for mobile and search engines. Step 4. Develop a marketing strategy. Choose a marketing channel, social media, email, content marketing, etc. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Run targeted ads and promotions. Step 5. Build an email list. Create a lead magnet or opt-in incentive. Design a landing page to capture email addresses. Build relationships with your subscribers through email nurturing. Step 6. Leverage social media. Choose relevant social media platforms for your business. Share engaging content and participate in online communities. Run social media ads and promotions. Step 7. Optimize and analyze. Monitor website analytics and track performance. Analyze customer feedback and reviews. Make data-driven decisions to improve your business. Step 8. Stay up to date with industry trends. Attend online conferences and workshops, participate in online forums and communities, stay informed about industry developments and updates. Step 9. Focus on customer retention. Provide exceptional customer service and support. Offer loyalty programs and rewards. Encourage repeat business and referrals. Step 10. Continuously improve and scale. Continuously evaluate and improve your business strategy. Scale your business by investing in new marketing channels and technologies. Stay adaptable and open to new opportunities. By following these steps, you can build a successful online business from scratch in 2024. Remember to stay focused, adaptable, and committed to your goals.